name is Nihal Singh from Crowd Technologies, and today I am going to give you the demonstration on Cashier Panel. So this is the login screen of Cashier Panel, and if you want to log into the Cashier Panel, so please enter your username and password into the given text boxes. So the username is CSH225761 and the password is, this is the password, and just click on the sign in button. Alright, so after clicking on sign in button, you will get into the Cashier Panel. Right, so this is the Cashier Panel. Alright, and here you can see the cases of petitioner cases and respondent cases. So let me tell you what is Cashier Panel. So Cashier Panel, after when registrar registered the cases, when case clerk or receiving registrar file cases on the behalf of petitioner, after that case is moved to registrar panel, and then from registrar panel to cashier. What is work of cashier? Cashier collect the court fee. It means that every person need to pay some amount to the court, and that is known as a court fee. So the court fee, who is the person who is going to collect the court fee? The cashier. Cashier is the person who is going to collect the court fee. So this is the Cashier Panel, where every cashier have many cases, and cashier look after all the cases, which cases has court fee and which cases has not any court fee. Alright, so here as we can see that today this is the dashboard of the Cashier Panel. Alright, and this is the petitioner cases and this is the respondent cases, and all cases for process fee, add fee. Alright, it means that if you want to add fee, for example, like I have a case, I haven't collected any court fee on that case, but I want to collect some court fee on the cases. So it might be 300, 200 or anything. So I can add the court fee from here. Alright, and today cases for process add fee. Alright, so there is only one cases which is registered on today for add fee. So if you want to check the case, so just click on the number and automatically you will get into the another page where you can see the today cases for petitioner. Alright, so here the case, and this is the case number, this is the case type, it's civil, registrar number is REG161064. Alright, and this is the add court fee. So what kind of court fee I want to add on the particular case? So let me tell you, if you click on the link, automatically you will get into the page where you can add court fee. Alright, so this is the page. So for example, like this is the case and I want to add some court fee on this case. So what kind of court fee would be there? It might be original summons, like originating summons. So if I click on the originating summons, and when I click on the originating summons, automatically this will appear, this drop down box will appear, and select what kind of fee it is, like it's originating summon. When I click on this, just click on the add button, automatically this court fee will be added. So the cost of this court fee is 2000. Alright, and if I want to delete the court fee, so just click on the delete button, automatically this court fee will be deleted. Alright, so by this I can add the court fee. For example, I would like to add one more court fee, it is motion on notice. So just click on the checkbox, and after that this drop down will appear. Just click on the drop down box and click on the each exhibit. Alright, and just click on the add button. Automatically another code fee will be appear. So this time this is 20. Alright, and before that it was 2000. So 2020 rupees. So the total code fee is 2020 rupees. Alright, so this is the total of the code fee, and when you click on the add code fee button, automatically this fee will be appear on the particular case. Right, so this is the code fee which petitioner need to pay. All right, so just click on the add code fee. No, it might be 2. So as you can see here, code fee has been submitted successfully. All right. So the code fee has been submitted, and see here what is happening in the dashboard. First of all, the case was appear in the today case for process add fee, and when I submitted the code fee, when I add the code fee, automatically the case will appear in the today cases for process. All right, so I have added the code fee. The code fee is 2020 rupees, and now I need to collect the money from the petitioner. All right, so for this just click on this button, and when you click on this button, you will get into the page where you need to collect the money from the petitioner. All right, so this is the case number, this is the case type, this is the registrar number and registrar name, and this is the code fee, collect code fee link. So just click on this link and you get another page where you can collect the fee. Alright, so here you can collect the fee. Okay, this is the screen. You need to fill some sort of information here, like code fee, what is the code fee, view details, you can see the details, and this is the treasure book number. You can give any treasure number, like I have given 2W, and date and station, head office. These are not compulsory, but if you want to give any details, you definitely you can give. And from here, from cashier panel, the case will move to commissioner panel. All right, so when the case will move from cashier to commissioner panel, you need to give the name, you need to give commissioner ID, commissioner registration ID. So this is the only person in the panel right now, commissioner panel. It means commissioner panel has only one commissioner. Okay, and this is the registration number of the commissioner, and when you click on the submit button, automatically this case will move to commissioner panel. All right, and as you can see that after when you collect the code fee, automatically a case suit number will generate, which is like this, and you already have a receiving number of the case when you applied for the case in the clerk panel, and after that you will get a case diary number and a case suit number. Alright, so if you want to print the case, just click on the print button. Automatically you will get the printout of this case suit number. Right, so the case is if you want to allot the case to commissioner panel, just click on this tab, and as we already know that the case is we have already submitted a case to commissioner panel, but if you want to allot this case to the commissioner panel, you can click on here and go into the case. Alright, and if you want to if you want to allot the case to indexer panel for the indexing of the case, so you can click on the case allot to indexer. Right, so this is for the cashier panel, and this is in for the day, and in next session we will tell you about the indexer panel. We will tell you about the commissioner panel of the e-code software management system. Alright, so thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.